conservation of momentum?
Momentum is defined as the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. One of the most powerful laws of physics is the law of conservation of momentum. This law can be stated as follows. In an isolated system, a collision between two objects yields the same amount of momentum as it began with. Basically, when no outside forces, such as friction, are acting upon a collision, the total amount of momentum is a constant value. In the law of conservation of momentum, the change of momentum of object 1 is equal and opposite to the change of momentum in object 2. This is what conserves the momentum of the system. One side loses momentum and the other side gains the same amount. One analogy you can use to help understand this is person A and B have $100 each, with a total of $200. Person A pays person B $50 for something, so now person A only has $50, but person B has $150. The total amount is still the same because the amount lost by A is equal to the amount gained by person B.
As marble 1 runs into marble 2, 3, and 4, the momentum from ball 1 is transferred between ball 2 and 3 into ball 4, forcing ball 4 to move with the same velocity as ball 1 and leaving ball 1, 2, and 3 at a standstill. As each of the marbles runs into each other, the momentum from each is transferred, causing them to move at the same velocity in opposite directions. As ball 1 and 2 hit ball 3, the momentum from ball 2 is transferred to ball 3, and the momentum from ball 1 is transferred to ball 2, leaving ball 1 at a standstill, and ball 2 and 3 traveling at a constant velocity.
The law of conservation of momentum can be shown in this experiment in two ways. The first way is through stick collision. As the cart moves to the stationary cart and collides, the momentum is split between both carts. Next, each cart is pushed toward each other and results in both momentums canceling each other, leaving two stationary carts. The second way to show the law of conservation of momentum through these carts is by an explosion collision. As you can see, the energy released by the explosion is distributed evenly between the two carts, resulting in them moving away from each other at the same speed.
What is momentum? Momentum is the mass of an object multiplied by its velocity. What does conservation of momentum mean? Conservation of momentum means that the momentum before a collision is equal to the momentum after a collision. When one marble rolls into a second marble, why does the second marble roll away while the first stops? The momentum is transferred from the first marble to the second. This caused the first marble to come to a stop while the second rolled away.